Hi, I'm Ashley Daswa, a senior investment specialist who recently joined the Sanlam corporate investments team. I will be giving you an update on how the Sanlam accumulation portfolio has performed up to the end of 2022. The Sanlam accumulation portfolio is a growth-oriented portfolio with a significant weighting to equities and properties. And as expected, its performance is largely driven by the performance of South African and global equity markets. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that the performance has been exceptionally strong over the last quarter of 2022. But the 12-month return has been weighed down by the returns earlier in the year. The performance of the portfolio over the last quarter of 2022 was a staggering 8.5%, while the portfolio delivered a negative 0.2% over the course of 2022. Our international strategy weighed down on overall performance given the re-rating of many global technology and growth stocks. But the performance of the local equity blend continued to drive overall outperformance. The strategy has done exceedingly well ahead of the benchmark over the 3 to 5 year periods. This is despite the stuttering local economy that we are witnessing. It is quite pleasing for us that we've been able to outperform our benchmark out of all these periods due to a combination of astute asset allocation and good manager selection. An important update to our strategy is the revised strategic asset allocation benchmark, which we have phased in from 1 November 2022 to be fully executed by the first quarter of 2023. This change emanated from increased Regulation 28 offshore allowance announced by the National Treasury earlier in 2022 and led us to review our portfolio allocation from a quantitative and a qualitative perspective. This process largely led to a reduction in local equity and property and an increase in international assets such as equity and property. We believe that these changes lead to better diversification within the portfolio, and while there will be a short-term volatility given the risk profile of this portfolio, we are of the view that this changes the positions the portfolio optimally to deliver a strong inflation-beating return over the long term. Thank you.